Starting off, hold the deck in a strider grip like this and break the deck in a symbol cut. Now place your pinky at the bottom and your thumb at the top and strip this packet out. Place your ring finger right over here and pivot it about the index and clip that packet while pivoting with your middle and index. Place your thumb here and strip it. Now grip this top packet, this 5 space packet, like so with your 3 fingers and insert it in between these two packets and clip these 2 packets, the 5 space and the center packet, together with your index and middle and push it forward and place the other end with your index and drop the bottom packet. And flip this 9 of clubs packet at a slight angle so you're holding in such a grip. Now grip this packet like this and turn it so it aligns, these two are symmetrical, and push it toward in each other and close.